G'day, Lyndi here from Interweb Marketing. Just wanted to do a quick update on the new Keap Landing pages and how you can put a background in behind this whole picture here. At the moment it's just white, and you can insert an image on the page. And when you insert an image on the page, you've got the option here to use stock photos. When you're doing the background image, and I'll just close up these side ones here, you can see here the row properties. This image here has actually died. It's not working, that link anymore, because there's meant to be an image behind here. So I needed to redo it, but you can see I don't have the option to access the stock images. So how can we access stock images here? Great little workaround I've got here is to simply drag out an image onto your screen. You will then get the option to go to the stock photos. I actually want a water background. Sometimes it's actually a lighthouse is what I want in here. Lighthouse and water background. Let's see what it brings. That's beautiful. I want it to be a landscape photo, which meaning it's the horizontal image. We can see that that's an unsplash, so I can click this one. It brings the image in, but you're going, but that's not in the background. That's right, it's not. So we can see now that this image has been given a URL. So I copy that URL, click back to the background, come to the row properties, come into the image URL. Let's just delete that one and let's paste and hit enter. And you can see it comes into the background. Now we can't see a lot of that, so I would probably find a different image myself for this one, but you get the concept. And then you can simply delete this one down here. Now you do have the options here to change the image to contain, so it could just be in that top section and then that overflows like that. So if I delete this one down here, so that now is looking like that, which is not too bad, right? So the image is fully in there, and yeah, that puts it into the background. Now, in the past, these URLs used to delete from here, but it looks like it's holding now, which is great. That must be a little update that's happening. So yeah, you can change the image. So even as a cover, now that I've deleted out that image down the bottom, it actually fills nicely. Then I go next, publish, and go publish. Now I have my custom domains set up, which typical, I'm doing a recording. It's not working. So anyway, let's just go preview, and it is working. So that's good. So now you can see that that picture is behind, and I've got this white background so that this text and everything stands out. But that's how you can get an image in the background of the entirety of your landing page. That's the campaign I was working on. So yeah, hopefully that's helpful for you. All right. Thank you very much. Bye for now.